There's a lot of fear among younger jewelry shoppers. They're worried about three things generally. One, they don't want to get a bad deal or overpay for a product. Two, they don't know how to build a relationship with a local service-oriented business. And three, they want to make sure that their dollars are supporting ethical and environmentally conscious businesses. The odd thing is that buying on the internet or from big box stores gives a false sense of security, maybe because of a cheap price seen online or good branding. We don't want people to get taken advantage of, and we want people to know where we stand. Firstly, we price match our products to compete with online sellers and big box stores. We have to stay in business and to be fair to our clients. Second, we are known for our 1-year warranty and our repair capabilities. These services are better than the competition, and if anything does go wrong, we have the goldsmiths on hand to fix the problem. Lastly, as a family-owned business, we care about operating in an ethical and responsible way to ensure a better future. To that end, every diamond we sell is either pre-owned, Kimberly process tracked, or lab created, which avoids supporting conflict. We buy gemstones directly from lapidaries and miners only in stable countries, and we use 100% recycled gold in our casting to ensure a low environmental impact and ethical trade. We also support the arts and people here in our community through donations to the Multi-Service Center of King County and the Federal Way Symphony Orchestra. Clients should feel confident that they are supporting us as a 100% locally owned and operated family business that takes pride in operating responsibly here in our community.